Hello, how can I help you?
I want to go on a trip, but I don't know where to go. Can you help me pick a destination?
Indonesia, Australia, Japan. The ticket is being printed. Please wait. Please take your ticket. Ladies and gentlemen, we are ready for takeoff. Passengers, please put away your tray table. Passengers, please open the window shade. Passengers, please turn off your Passengers, please fasten your seatbelt. Fastening your seatbelt can keep you safe. Cabin check is complete.
Please tap on the start button. Push the throttle. Slide the wheel to fly. The plane took off successfully. We're on our way.
Passengers, we will arrive in Indonesia shortly.
I would like to go sea fishing. There are so many fish here. Let's start fishing. The fish is on the hook. Tap to reel in. Let's go somewhere else. You have to keep tapping to catch the fish. The fish is on the hook. Tap to reel in. You have to keep tapping to catch the fish. The fish is on the hook. Tap to reel in. Let's make a pot of fish soup with the fish we caught. Let's enjoy the fish soup together.
Passengers, we're passing through turbulence. Please take care. Please find all the safety hazards in the cabin. Passengers, we're passing through turbulence. Please remain seated. The restroom is temporarily closed. The safety check is complete, and you did a great job.
Tap to equip the magical item.
Passengers, we will arrive in Australia shortly.
Let's go to the opera house and enjoy some amazing music. We're rehearsing for today's performance. Can you help us? Connect all the notes. Wow! You've got an amazing voice!
Next, the koala will be practicing the French horn.
It's so interesting.
And lastly, we have the kangaroo dance. Practice is over. Let's begin the show. Passengers, the meal service is now...
I'm done eating. I like the food.
Passengers, we will arrive in Japan shortly.
This is a great place for a hot spring bath. Unable to download? Please ask Dad or Mom for help.